Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at plate boundaries. Luckily for you, this is dead easy. There's only 3 types of plate boundary that we need to worry about. They are here. We've got plates which move apart, plates which move together, and plates which move sliding past each other. The ones which move apart, they're called divergent plates. So divergent, which moves apart. The force that is applied to it, because it's being pulled apart, is a tension force, which is why I've written tension up here. Plates which move together, these are called convergent plates. And the force which is pushing them together is a compression force. And the ones which move sliding past each other, these are called transform plates. And the force is a shear force. Okay, so one thing you've got to do, you've got to learn those words. All right, let's just think about what happens when plates move apart. So we're going to look at the divergent plates first. Now remember, this is the crust, and if you look at it 3-dimensionally, underneath the crust you're going to have a load of magma. So when it moves apart, the magma, what it does, it kind of fills in the gap. Okay, and when it reaches the surface, it solidifies. Now this forms new landmass, so we call this constructive. Okay, the landmass it can form can be a ridge or a rift. So this is talking about a divergent plate boundary. When we look at convergent plate boundary, because you have this subduction. Now what happens with subduction is the larger oceanic plate sinks underneath a continental and it melts. The result is that you're ending up losing landmass. Okay? And as a result you call it destructive. And a typical feature of a converging plate boundary are trenches. Okay, so trenches are these little dips. Okay, with both converging and diverging, because you have magma involved, you also have volcanic activity. Okay, with converging, you can also have mountains forming as 2 continental plates collide together. Okay, with transform plate boundaries, you don't get any different type of land formation being formed. So you don't get any ridges, any trenches, any rifts, nothing happens. So this is called conservative. So we've got constructive, destructive. So constructive for the diverging, destructive for the compression, and for the transform you have conservative. So nothing happens, no landforms are being made. However, you do get earthquakes here. And that's it really, that's plate boundaries in a nutshell. So just to tell you the 3 types: diverging, converging, and transform. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.